Hi, Erica. Today was a pretrial conference where lawyers were essentially trying to force Nathan Carman to answer questions. He didn't, but he had plenty of questions of his own.
Walking into probate court alone and without a lawyer, Nathan Carman had nothing to say to reporters, but he had plenty on his mind once the pretrial conference got underway.
Are we trying 2 murder cases here, or are we trying 1?
Deciding to represent himself, Carman went right after the lawyers representing Valerie Santilli. She represents other family members who are fighting over a $7 million trust that's in dispute following the yet unsolved murder of Carman's grandfather. Santilli's lawyers claim Carman is not answering questions surrounding the alleged purchase of an assault rifle that they contend is the murder weapon. When they attempted to tie in the case of his mother's mysterious disappearance 3 years later, Carman's response was a question for the court.
Do we not first need to figure out legally whether or not my mom is considered to be deceased? What's the manner of death? And then by what standard of proof are we trying to determine if my mom, it's difficult for me to repeat the allegation, but if I killed my mom or not.
After the morning proceedings, Carman again refusing to talk to reporters.
Nathan, you're going to be able to comment at all about how things went today?
And sped off the same way he came to court, alone.
Nathan Carman refused to take a lie detector test, refused multiple questions about what we believe is a murder weapon, and now claims that answering questions about the murder weapon would incriminate him.
There is another hearing scheduled for May. Carman says to the judge he hopes to have his own lawyer by then. We're live in Concord, New Hampshire this noon. Doug Meehan, WCVB News Center 5.
Doug, thank you.